Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and installation of the Ferilinso Screen Protector for the iPhone 11. I've had my iPhone 11 for about 3-4 years now, and previously I've been using an Otterbox, which I've done several reviews on, as well as a screen protector from Walmart for the past 3 years. It's like the Onn Screen Protector, and about a month and a half ago, I ended up getting a crack in this screen protector. It's very hard to see on camera. Basically, it's a crack from the edge here all the way to here. And so I've been looking for a different screen protector, kind of looked at the Onn one, but decided to go against it and came across this Ferilinso screen protector on Amazon. So I purchased this for $8. It should come with 3 screen protectors and then 3 camera covers. And so what we'll do in this video is I'll just go over the general features, what comes in the packaging, then I'll walk through taking off the current screen protector, showing you what the underlying screen looks like after 3 years of use with the Onn Screen Protector, and then we'll walk through actually installing this on the phone and kind of what it looks like. But we'll get started. So this is the Ferilinso Screen Protector. You can get it on Amazon for $8. It'll come with 3 screen protectors, 3 camera covers. The packaging is pretty simple. There's a lot of labeling on it, so you can't really see anything underneath it. But on the basic bottom here, it does have some basic listing of the features. It says that it's anti-bubble, it's ultra thin, it's oleophobic coating, which I would believe is like for lipids or kind of grease kind of protection. It's 9H hardness and it's fingerprint proof, which I'm not entirely sure what that means. Either fingerprint smudging or fingerprint like touch activation. I'm not entirely sure. But that's it for the packaging. They've got some other information on here, but I'm not going to list it. And then we'll kind of just open this if I can. To be honest, this is pretty hard to open. I might need a scissor, so bear with me 1 second. Okay, so yeah, this packaging is pretty robust as far as this label here, so I'm using a scissor to open it. And so here is what they have. So let's see what it says. So it's lifetime warranty is provided for all of our screen protectors. If you meet any problems or issues, just contact us, and they've got their actual email right there, and they'll be happy to assist you. And then kind of they've walked through the steps as far as everything. So what it says here is it's going to be full screen protector for the whole screen, 1, 2, 3, alcohol prep pad with a dry cloth, then dust absorber, then the quick sticker included. Then use the alcohol prep pad to clean the screen to get rid of dust, fingerprints, and stains. Then use the dedicated cleaning cloth to wipe the screen carefully. And then what they're going to say here is, in order to make perfect cleaning effect, use the dust absorber, stick out the undetectable soft flocks and dust, which is dust absorber, and then tear the plastic protective film off the glass, direct each hole on the side of the glass to the edge of the screen, then lay it down slowly, and then press the central part with your fingers, fix the film onto the screen automatically. Please be patient as there will be bubbles, but there will be, all the bubbles can be moved out. So that's the instructions real quick. Sorry I had to go through that because I got distracted. And then we'll look at what actually comes in the box. So you've got 3 separate camera covers. This is for the iPhone 11, so there's only 2 cameras on it. You're going to have dust sticker as well as the wet tissue. There's going to be 3 separate containers for that. We'll turn it right side up. So that's that. And then you're going to have the actual screen protectors. So there's 1, 2, 3 as well. So as anticipated, for $8, you're going to be getting 3 screen protectors and camera covers. If they work effectively, they will work pretty well. The one I've had on my phone from Walmart, I've had for 3 years and it never cracks. So I think it's the fact that the Otterbox does have bezeled edges, so it's very hard to actually hit the screen. But for me, I prefer overprotection. I like the Otterbox and it works really well. You do have to kind of replace it every 6 months or so. You can check out the videos on that, but I've had no issues as far as the overall quality of the phone, kind of like breaking or anything like that. So now what we'll do is I'll take this screen protector off and the case off. We'll look at the underlying screen and then we'll go from there. Just give me 1 second. All right, so this is what my phone looks like outside of the case with the Otterbox. So there's some like damage, some fingerprints, that sort of thing. I didn't wipe it down too much because I didn't want to go crazy with it. But if you look on the actual camera here, there's some like scratches along the camera because I've never had a cover on it. So the bezel for the Otterbox does kind of like help protect it, but not entirely. But what we'll do now is we will try to get this screen protector off that's currently on it. So if you can tell here, there's a little area where it cracked, and then there's a crack that runs across the whole thing. So we'll just lift this off and very carefully pull this off without damaging the phone further. I've never actually done this, so I don't have personal experience with how this performs. I'm always worried about damaging the underlying screen in the process of this, but we'll see how this looks afterwards. So this is what the Onn one looks like. So this is from the Walmart. This is after 3 years of use, so as you can tell, there's a crack like along here, and I cracked it a little bit more when pulling it off, but there's some residue on the one side that's stuck. And then we'll look at the actual screen. So the screen looks practically brand new. I put this on immediately when I first got the phone. So there's no underlying damage, so it did work effectively for a total of 3 years. There's some residue on the side here because that's where it kind of lifted off a little bit over time, and I didn't really mess with putting it back. But overall, that screen protector worked very effectively, so hopefully this new one will work similarly. What I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to wipe this down, clean it up, and then we'll start walking through the installation process with the Ferilinso screen protector. All right, so here's everything we'll need for installation. So we've got the camera cover, which is right here. So it's basically a peel away that, sorry, it's stuck there. Peel away that'll lift off. So that's going to be the camera cover. It's got 2 camera lenses and kind of a glass piece that'll cover this back area of the phone. So that'll be interesting to see how that installs. We're going to have the actual screen protector. So that's this here. And so this is what it looks like. And so there's going to be a pull tab on the one end here that'll lift off and attach to the screen. I'm not going to pull it off yet. And then they're going to have a cleaning kind of like container here, which I'll open up right now, but it's a little bit difficult. There's actually a pull tab here, so just pull that open. And there should be 3 separate items in this little pouch. We'll take a look at it. So there's going to be a wet tissue, there's going to be a dust sticker, and then there's going to be an actual like microfiber sheet. So what you'll do first is clean with the wet tissue. So that's going to be like an alcohol prep. So we'll open this up. And basically what we're going to do is just open this all the way and wipe down the entirety of the phone screen. So this is really just cleaning off any residue, all right? And then I'm gonna do this very similarly for the back of the screen where the camera lens is too. I don't know if they recommend that, but I'm not gonna do the rest of the phone because it really is not relevant for this. All right, so then the next step is what you're gonna do is take the microfiber towel and then just dry this off. Sorry, it's distracting with that. Dry this off entirely, okay? All right, and then the next step from there, I'm gonna just put this on the thing, is you're gonna take this sticker here, which is a dust sticker, and this is gonna basically act to lift off any dust or residue so it doesn't get underneath the screen. So you'll just kind of like stick it underneath. I would recommend using this. I've used the Onn Screen Protector for my my MacBook Pro, and sometimes, at least the first time I used it, I got a lot of dust underneath this or that, so it's very helpful to get rid of any dust on the actual screen so that you don't have kind of air bubbles and stuff. And if you look, there was like one piece, and then, sorry, looks pretty good there. And then we'll do the same kind of back here. And then just to play it safe, I'm just gonna kind of wipe it with the screen, like the thing here, just to make sure that there's no kind of like smudges on the actual camera. All right, so now what we'll do is we'll actually install it. So what we'll do first is we're going to basically take the plastic off here, or for the screen protector, we're going to take off the label. You do have to align it appropriately. So if you look at the iPhone 11, there's a groove on the top here, and so that'll be the top of the screen, and very similarly, that groove is on the top here. There's nothing on the bottom, so basically just peel this off and then very carefully align it appropriately. So it's hard at this angle with the camera, but basically we'll just do that. Oh, sorry, there's a dog hair. Weird. My dog sheds, so. All right, and that's all I'm gonna do for now. I'm gonna, as you can tell, basically it's sticking immediately, and then there's an air bubble here, so we'll just press that in. I might not be able to see it on the camera, but you'll just press that over to the side and try to force it out from underneath the screen, and that allows the kind of like the screen to sit well. And then up here on this top corner here, very similarly, it was lifting off. So otherwise it's pretty much all the way without any air bubbles anywhere, so that's perfect. And then what we'll do is we'll peel this off and do the back. I've never done this, so it'll be interesting to see, but basically this peels off here, and so there's a space for the actual camera, so I think it just slides right directly on there. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So it slides directly on the camera and sticks out right there. So that's it for installation. So you've got the camera cover, you've got the screen protector, and there's no air bubbles. There's some residue from my fingers, but I'll wipe that down after putting my other case on. As far as installing the Otterbox, we'll see how well this fits. I'm not too worried about the actual screen because I previously had the other screen protector, but the Otterbox, you just slide it on. You slide this other piece this way. Should be this way. Or no, it's upside down. You click it into place and then slide it into the rubber. It's very easy, convenient, not too bad to do. And I've done multiple videos on this, but I like this case. It's worked very well for protecting my phone. I have no complaints other than after about 6 months you need to replace it. So that's that. And just to show you, so this is what it looks like on the back. So the camera itself, that camera protector does lie within the Otterbox without any issues. There's no issues as far as the like bezel or anything misaligning, so it does provide protection. So I kind of wish I used something like this in the past, but the Onn one from Walmart didn't have this. So that's everything for this case. We'll have to kind of see how it holds up as far as the screen protector, the actual camera cover as well. I'll have to check out the picture quality as well. But the nice part is they're going to give you 2 more screen protectors as well as 2 more camera covers. So if you notice that they break, crack, you can easily replace it. The fact that my previous one lasted for 3 years, I'll be surprised if I have to use these soon. But it's something I'll keep you updated on as far as the overall quality of this, and whether I run into issues as far as the durability and whether my phone becomes damaged in the process. So thanks for watching. If you have questions, comments, post them below. Hopefully this installation is helpful. This is the Ferilinso Screen Protector. You can get it on Amazon for $8 for 3 total screen protectors, which comes out to maybe like $2.50 each, which is super cheap, super affordable. So hopefully it works. If you have questions, post them below. Otherwise, please subscribe to my channel. So thanks a lot and have a good day.